Welcome back. 4 cases of swine flu have been confirmed on Saturday midnight in Goa. Swine flu cases toll in Goa has now reached to 11.
Out of these 3 cases, 3 people are from one family only. These 3 had returned from Hong Kong. The report of this patient was confirmed by NICD Delhi after 48 hours. Actually, NICD Delhi takes 24 hours, but as it is receiving swab samples throughout the country, it is taking double time to send the report. The swine flu patients are now been admitted at isolation ward in Chikli Hospital and treatment on these patients are on. Goa government has already stationed special response team at Daboli Airport and at Chikli Health Center. Similarly, these facilities are also available at Directorate of Health Services at Panji. Interstate private bus operators are also cautioned. Education department is also being cautioned as many students were found positive with H1N1 virus in Pune. A special workshop will be held on 16th, 17th and 18th to brief doctors more about swine flu. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar.
Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco has assured his full support to the Goa Chitra Museum at Banauli. He announced this on his visit to this museum on Saturday. This museum is first of its kind in Goa, which has restored the traditional and ancient article of Goan families.
This is Goa Chitra Museum at Banauli. This museum takes you through a look of ancient and traditional articles of Goan family. It has everything: traditional agricultural equipments, religious monuments, various other items and utensils of wood, metal, mud, cane and granite which were used by Goans some years back. In this electronic world, people have forgotten about these articles where our great-grandmothers and fathers were using this for their day-to-day life. Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco was accompanied by GTDC Chairman Shyam Satardekar, OSD to Tourism Minister Lyndon Montero and Director of Tourism Swapnil Naik. They also had a look at this museum. Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco has granted full support to this museum.
My substantial support from my tourism department will be given for this historical place. And I'll declare here, and any support, all the sides. Not just because tomorrow media shouldn't make a statement that Mickey is committed for this place just because this is in his constitution. No. Good hard work which is done by Mr. and Mrs. Hugo, and they deserve that government assistance should be given to them.
Victor Gomes, the owner and restorer of this museum, gave us more details about the museum.
This entire place, 20 years ago, I used to collect things that were from houses that were being broken in Goa. This entire place is built with material of over 300 houses that were demolished in Goa. If you see the road, there are stones of all old houses. Okay. The first thing that we set up here was an organic farm, because I wanted to show that we can cultivate right through the year. I wanted to get back things that were rejected by Goan farmers. Like for example, what I do here is sambar onions, baby potatoes.
The official website of this museum was also launched by Mickey Pacheco. Our reporter from Banauli, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Now let's have a look at the inauguration of Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University branch and NSS branch at Kamleshwar High School in Korgaon, Pedne.
Sports and Panchayat Minister Babu Asgaonkar inaugurated a branch of Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University at Korgaon. This branch is being inaugurated at Kamleshwar Higher Secondary School. He emphasized on the importance of education and said that education was essential for every individual. In charge of the Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University branch in Korgaon, Vitoba Bagli said that any individual from 18 years to 80 years will be able to complete his education in this university. NSS organization also opened their branch at Kamleshwar Higher Secondary School in Korgaon. Principal of Harmal Panchakroshi Higher Secondary, Uday Goekar, was also present. Goekar appealed the students to work for the cause of society. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time for yet another short break. Watch sports news in our video of the day after a short break. Stay tuned.